We are just getting ready to board the train. Looks like we have long lines. This train will take us to France. Okay, we are inside the train now and just waiting for everybody to get finished getting loaded, and then we are off. This ride will take us about 2 hours, and then we're off to Paris. Okay, we have arrived now in Paris. We need to find our way to where we are staying. Let's go. All right, our first glimpse of Paris. Just finished the train station and we have our taxis.
Oh, that's a famous museum. It's the most famous museum.
Okay, we have arrived at our hotel, and so it's Le Litre. I probably massacred that, but and so we're ready to go inside. Okay, we are at our first eating stop after we arrived in Paris, and I'm not sure what the name of this restaurant is, but I am having a salad. I'll show you in just a moment, and it looks really good, and the portions are good size, and so let me show you what I ordered. Okay, this is what I got, and it's a salmon seafood salad. There's things in here that I'm not sure what they are, but it looks good, and so bon appetit. Okay, to take you on a tour of the room in Paris, where we are staying, and you can see we have a big walk-in closet, and taking the tour into the bathroom, the shower. You see it's a very nice bathroom, and a few lovely robes that they left. And who is this? My roomie!
You lovely roomie, Jordan from Just Jordan 33.
And over here,
Bonjour! Je m'appelle Audrey. From All Around Audrey.
okay, so we are roomies, and there's a nice bed and a third bed. And if you follow on out, we even get a nice balcony. It's small, but it overlooks the street, and you can see how cool. We get a grand view from here. All right, that concludes the tour of our room. Okay, this is our first breakfast at the hotel. So you can see there's quite a lot of great food here. And the pancakes. Okay, and here is the sweet side. The choices. And here's are the things that I chose. Bon appetit. Okay, we are on a double-decker bus today, and we are riding around. First of all, we are going to go to the Eiffel Tower.
There it is! Our first view of it! What is it? The Eiffel Tower! Oh. Mom's like, what?
Okay, do you see it? Do you know what it is? Eiffel Tower.
Very first time seeing it! It's so big! No, it's so tall. I mean, I knew it was going to be big, but I didn't think it was going to be that big. Oh, it's so exciting. Oh yeah, Dad's holding that. A little bit more. More that way, that way. A little bit more. More. Oh, down a little bit. There you go. Oh, perfect! We're holding that for power too. Yay! Oh, that's awesome!
Okay, we just jumped off of the tour bus, and we are getting on another bus to another line because of the kind of tour that we want to take. But we will end up at the Eiffel Tower again. Okay, continuing the tour. This is a Parisian scientific museum. You can tell there's a lot of traffic. This is the Madeleine Church. It has a lot of columns and no windows. wonderful opera house. We just went through the arches and we come to the Louvre. Welcome to the Louvre. Okay, here's our restaurant. We decided to stop and some of the food. Thai. Looks like a great burger. Looks like a great burger. What did you get?
Club sandwich.
Yum, yum. What's yours?
A ham and cheese sandwich with fries.
They all look so good. We haven't got ours yet. So I did get mine, and it's an Italian sandwich. And I got it without the fries. Looks yummy. All of them look very yummy.
Thanks for watching. See you at the next adventure. Bye-bye.